Your Lordship, I am appearing for the primary board inspector. I am seeking Passover. I am led by Mr. Jaideep Gupta.
Lord, one is my contempt. Lord, these are those West Bengal 2022 batch where...
Your Lordship, I am seeking Passover in this 27. In the main matter, we have filed the MAM for the...
Lord, Your Lordship recollects, the IAS, Your Lordship...
Your Lordship,
this is clarification.
What I'll tell Your Lordship, what he wants to say is, originally there were 11,000 and odd vacancies. The vacancies were distributed in different categories. For example, they were spread over 4 language, Bengali, Hindi, Nepali.
So I am led by Mr. Jaideep Gupta. I will be here.
Who is appealing?
Senior Advocate Jaideep Gupta.
Nothing, no clarification. Nothing. You need to do it. We won't even touch it with the bar.
Sure.
Everything should be
grateful, Your Lordship.
We made it more than clear.
Absolutely.
Actually, we restrained from imposing costs on the board.
Correct.
He'll come.
Egregious your conduct was.
And
egregious.
So we have moved a contempt. We are running after them. They have done nothing.
Not entertain your contempt.
No, Lord, contempt has to be contempt is judgment has to be complied. Lord, their application.
We left you a remedy for you.
Yes. So they have come here again to derail this process. That's the whole purpose of being here.
Before the High Court.
Yes.
Passover, I'll tell your Lordship.
So the whole purpose is to derail and frustrate compliance of the judge. Yes, that will not happen. I'm sure. Yes.
Remedy, my Lord, said for the people I am appearing for.
That's it.
Yes.
Good.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
बहुत चला ये बहस
My access to justice